How to renew your contract in Vila for the next academic year. There are 2 periods you have to keep in mind, depending on your needs. From the 2nd until the 13th of May, if you want to stay in your same apartment. From the 24th until the 31st of May, if you want to move to another apartment on your own. The next step is to enter our website and click on the button, Renew. You have to be registered in My Vila. If you are not registered yet, do it now. Click Renew and just follow the steps. Keep in mind that you need to enter the same user and password that you used to register in My Vila. If you just want to stay in your same apartment, the renewal period goes from the 2nd until the 13th of May from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. Enter with your user and password and click on Renew. Remember to accept the terms and conditions in order to finish the process. After that, you just need to sign the contract online. Once you're done, you'll receive an email with the confirmation. If you just want to move to another apartment, the renewal period goes from the 24th until the 31st of May from 8 a.m. till 8 p.m. Enter with your user and password. Choose your building, floor, apartment, and bedroom. The ones in color green are the available ones. Gray means they are occupied or blocked. Now accept the terms and conditions and click Renew. Sign the contract online to finish the process. Once you're done, you all will receive a confirmation email. How to sign the contract online. When you're done with your renewal, you'll receive an email with your contract as a draw. Just reply to this email, attaching a copy of your ID or passport. Please don't change the subject of the email, just reply. In a few minutes, you'll receive a second email with the contract and the steps you have to follow in order to sign it online. Do it and send it back to us. Now you'll receive a third email with your contract already signed by you in Vila. Keep in mind, in order to renew, you have to be registered in My Vila. If you're not signed in yet, do it now. Use the same user and password to enter the app. The students with administrative incidents cannot renew their contracts. Remember that you can only live in Vila if you're enrolled at the UAB. You will not be able to renew if you do not have the receipts debited from bank account. The PhDs can only stay in Vila 1 if they renew in the same apartment. Otherwise, they'll have to change to Vila 2. More information in Vila 2 at vilauniversitaria.com. You can only live in Vila for a maximum of 6 years. Remember that the renewing is until June 30th, 2025. If you want to modify the date of departure, you must send an email to Vila2 at vilauniversitaria.com. Contract's cancellation deadline, still having right to refund deposit, is July 25th, 2025. Once you've done the renovation process, it is mandatory to sign your contract online. If you don't do so, you'll lose your bond. If you need more information, you can email us to vila@vilauniversitaria.com.